sili. Ito na yung binili ni Adriel. Patingin. Yung assemble niya. Are you ready? Okay, open. Sino ng ano? Oh, may sticker pa. Sir, manual.
Underground.
Ang daming gagawin na yun. Ito yung manual. Oh, dami yan. Okay.
Sana. Good job. Oh, is that the wheel? What car is that?
Koenigsegg. Koenigsegg. Oh, McLaren.
McLaren. Okay.
McLaren. Okay. I need to step on it so I can attach.
Natadyakan to. Wow. Patingin.
Ow.
What you got, Adriel? Wow. Oh, it's spin. Let me check. Hold on. Oh, that's the transmission. Good job. Okay. Next page, please. What you got?
To mountains, that is,
Lapit na mabuo ang McLaren ni Adriel.
zoom in.
McLaren.
I'm going to drop it.
Wow. Are you, what number? Number 2, 2 bags. Oh, wow. Ito, this one. Oh, wow.
I made that.
That's nice, Adriel. This look like the chassis is already finished, huh?
Who had him?
Oh, what's it?
No, just hard to see.
Yeah, put it there.
A lifetime of scientific research has suggested we need
that's
to
the muffler.
communicate with this alien, not fight with it. We need to
Well, Dougie can show you. He has his water badge.
Water?
Good job, Adriel. We're almost there.
All the way?
Yeah.
We drink starts in the sea.
A puddle.
Okay.
Watery. Watery. Watery.
Okay. Galing. Are you putting the wheels na? Oh, you're on the final touch, huh? Good job. Lock mo to, oh. May lock pa yan, oh. Ito, locking nut doon. Here's another one, oh. We're almost done, Adriel. Locking nut.
No more.
Yeah, there's another one.
Here?
Yeah. Oh. Lock mo to, oh. Tulak ko. Tingnan nga natin kung maando yung Lego mo. Wow. Galing ah. I think merong likuan yan eh. Look at the wheel. Ito oh. If you want to turn. Ito oh. Ito oh. Look at the wheel. Maandar oh. Galing ah. Apple mo. Pull ba? Pa-pull. Huwag ganyan. Pa-pull. Ah. Nice.
Anong tawag dyan? Wow, Lego. Car race.
McLaren Neon car. It's a race car.
Race car. Nag-rollback yan, di ba?
And it's a pullback.
Ah, pullback pala. Rollback. Tingnan. Wow, yun o.
Watch
Pwede
this.
siyang laruin.
See?
Ayan. Okay. Ganda. Si Neom. Bilhin pa natin yung ibang color. There's a gray one, right?